Glowing Star: How to make a Facebook business page and professionally optimize it. A closer look. Whether you're a business owner, coach, consultant, author, blogger, speaker or service provider, if you're trying to build an audience, raise awareness and get your message out there, then a well-crafted Facebook page is a must. Here is a ultimately blog advisor that I gathered, and behind it you can make a professional blog where you can write awesome and amazing contents on about everything that you will be passionate about. Checkmark. Step 1. Log into Facebook. First up, log into your own personal Facebook account. Facebook pages are made through personal accounts but are separate from your user profile. Checkmark. Step 2. Create a new page. Tap on the menu, is defined as button in the upper right corner. Choose Pages from the menu. Click Create New Page. You should be presented with a setup screen. Checkmark. Step 3. Add basic details of the page. Add your page name. Select a name that reflects your business, brand or organization. Category. Begin typing something related, e.g., clothing store, digital creator, tutor, then choose from the suggestions. Bio. About. Write a brief, clear word description of what your page represents. Then click Create Page. Framed picture. Step 4. Incorporate visual branding. Checkmark. Profile picture. Upload one of your logos or a professional picture that represents your page. Checkmark. Cover photo. Include a professional-looking banner that directly represents your brand or service. Pushpin. Pro tip. Use free tools like Canva to create visually stunning designs. Phone. Step 5. Include call to action button. Tap Add action button below the cover photo to enable one of these. Send message. Call now. Shop now. Sign up. Learn more. Users will be all the more inclined to act right away. Gear. Step 6. Adjust page settings. Go to Settings, Page Info and Complete. Username, e.g., add your brand name. This is your Facebook in profile URL. Mobile number, email and website, if applicable for contact. Business address and hours, if any. More info, mission, products, terms of use, etc. Also, remember to modify general settings. Enable, disable messaging, visitor posts, control age or country restriction, comments, filtration or bad language, filter busts in silhouette. Step 7. Assign page roles. Visit Settings, Page Roles to invite others to assist with the page. Admin, editor, moderator, advertiser, analyst. Great for teams or agencies. Spiral calendar. Step 8. Decide on a long-term content strategy. Post types to include learning, advice, tutorials, how-to, interactive, polls, questions, stories. Promote deals, sales, and product highlights. Visual, reels, infographics, carousels. Develop a content calendar in order to keep content on schedule. 5 times per week. Speech balloon. Step 9. Automate messaging. Navigate to inbox, automated responses and create welcome message. Greet people who message your page. Away message. Let people know when you are unavailable. FAQs. Frequently asked questions with brief responses. Bar graph. Step 10. Keep an eye on page insights. You can monitor using Meta Business Suite or Page Insights. Page reach and engagement, follower growth, top performing content, audience demographics. Reshape your content to match the data. Bullseye. Step 11. Boost your page. Optional. Here are 3 super easy ways to get your Facebook posts in front of more people. 1. Utilize Facebook ads or boost post. Select your objective, reach, leads, traffic, sales. Choose the target audience, location, interests, age. Set your budget and duration. This is particularly handy for small businesses and startups. Lock. Step 12. Secure your page. Turn on 2-step verification on your account. Add trusted contacts. If you have several pages, ads to manage, consider establishing a Meta Business account to secure ownership. Pushpin bonus tips. Always keep in mind your brand, colors, tone, visuals. Be fast to comment and respond to messages. The graphics and language should be professional quality. Regularly review your strategy and adjust based on feedback and data.